You've got a fantastic product or service, but who is it really for? Are you tired of wasting your marketing budget hoping anyone will notice? Imagine the power of knowing exactly who your customers are, what they want, and how to reach them effectively. In this video, I will share my top 7 tips for finding and connecting with your ideal customer. Are you ready to stop guessing and start growing your business? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in.
Like and subscribe.
If you're new here and you want to build brand using strategy, psychology, and creative thinking, then you are at the right place. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for any content creator or a business owner: how to find your target audience. By the end of this video, you will have actionable insight that you can apply to your brand strategy right away. The importance of identifying your target audience. Before we dive into the strategies, let's first understand why it is crucial to identify your target audience. Knowing your audience is knowing your success. Think of your target audience as the key to unlocking the success to your content, product, or services. By understanding who they are, what they want, and what they need, you can create something that truly resonates with them. This is important because when you know your audience, you can tailor your message, speak their language, address their pain points, and connect with them on a deeper level. Create relevant offerings, develop products or services that solve their problems or make their lives easier. Craft effective marketing strategies. Reach them where they are with the right message at the right time. Who really is your audience? Let's consider factors like age, location, interest, goals, challenges, motivations, behaviors, preferences, and values, where they hang out online and offline. Get to know them, research, engage, and listen to your audience. Ask questions, gather feedback, and analyze data to gain insights. This will help you create content, product, or services that truly meet their needs and exceeds their expectations. Remember, your audience is unique. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on people who matter most to your success. By knowing and understanding your target audience, you'll be able to create something truly amazing and resonate with them and drive real results. Before diving into specifics, let's start with the general idea of who you think your audience might be. This could be based on your product or services and who you initially envisioned using it. Step 1. Getting to know your audience. Before you start creating content, product, or services, take a step back and think about who you are trying to reach. This is like imagining your ideal friend or customer. Who are they? Start with a hunch. Based on your content, product, or services, who did you initially think would be interested in it? Consider who will benefit from your solution. Who will be excited about your content, product, or services? And who do you want to help or entertain? At this stage, don't worry too much about your specifics. Just get a general idea of your audience. For example, are they young, adults, or professionals? Are they interested in a particular hobby or industry? Do they live in a specific region or have a certain lifestyle? Write down your thoughts, even if they seem vague or general. This is just a starting point. As you move forward, you will refine the understanding of your audience and get to know them better. Remember, your audience is like a puzzle. You will get to know more about them piece by piece. For now, just focus on getting that first piece in place. Who do you think your audience might be? Take a guess and start building from there. Step 2. Let's get to know your ideal customer better. Now that you have a general idea of who your audience might be, it's time to dig deeper and learn more about them. Think of this as building a profile of your ideal customer, like creating a character sketch. Demographics is the foundation. It is the building blocks of understanding your audience. They include age, gender, income level, education, and occupation. Why demographics matters. Knowing these details will help you understand your audience's needs, challenges, interests, value, behaviors, goals, habit, and aspiration. As you gather your demographic data, imagine your ideal customer as a real person. Give them a name, age, occupation, and interest. This will help you create content, product, or services that resonate with them. To gather demographics data, try online surveys, social media polls, customer interview, focus groups, and analyzing industry reports and studies. Always remember that your audience is unique. Don't assume that your audience fits a specific mold. Research and learn about their distinct characteristics. This will help you tailor your approach to meet their needs and stand out from the crowd. Want to know a secret to understanding your audience inside out? Allow me to introduce you to your new best friend, Analytic Tools. This powerful friend helps you gather valuable insights about your audience so you can create content, product, or services that resonate with them. Analytic tools can help you discover who's visiting your website and engaging with your content, which social media platforms your audience love most, and what emails they open, clicks, and convert on. Demographics details like age, location, and interest. These are top analytic tools to befriend. Google Analytics, social media insight, email marketing data, and census data. How to use analytic tools. 1. Set up tracking codes on your website and social media. 2. Monitor your analytics dashboard regularly. 3. Analyze data to identify trends and patterns. 4. Adjust your strategies based on your findings. Why analytic tools matters. By using analytic tools, you will understand your audience's needs and preferences, create targeted content and marketing campaigns, boost engagement and conversion rate, make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Embrace your analytic tools. Don't be intimidated by data and numbers. Analytic tools are here to help you understand your audience and grow your business. So go ahead. Get friendly with your analytic tools and watch your business thrive. By analyzing this data, you will see patterns and trends that will help you narrow down your audience further. To gather psychographic data, look at social media interactions, join relevant online communities, and conduct surveys. Tools like SurveyMonkey can help you create questionnaires to understand your audience's motivation and preferences better. Step 4. Get to the heart of your audience's struggle. Now that you know who your audiences are, it is time to dive deeper into their world. What keeps them up at night and what are their biggest challenges? What do they need to make their lives easier? What are pain points? Pain points are specific problems, frustrations, or challenges your audience faces. They might be struggling to find a solution to a specific issue, feeling overwhelmed or stressed, lacking knowledge or resources, experiencing frustration with a current product or service. When you understand your audience's pain point, you can create solutions that address their specific needs, develop content that resonates with their struggles, build trust and empathy with your audience, stand out from others who don't understand their needs. How to identify pain points? Ask your audience questions, listen to feedback, analyze data, and observe behavior. What are needs? Needs are the underlying desires or requirements your audience has. They might be needing education or information on a topic, seeking convenience or efficiency, desiring a sense of community or connection, requiring a specific product or services. Why understanding needs matters. When you understand your audience's needs, you can create products or services that meet their needs, develop content that addresses their desires, build a loyal community that trusts your brand, stay ahead of the competition by meeting unmet needs. By understanding your audience's pain points and needs, you'll be able to create solutions that truly resonate with them. Remember, it's all about empathy and understanding. Step 5. Bring your audience to life with buyer personas. You have gathered tons of information about your audience. Now it's time to create a vivid picture of who they are. Buyer personas are like character profiles that helps you understand your audience's thoughts, feelings, and behavior. What really is a buyer persona? A buyer persona is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on real data and research. It is like creating a character sketch, including demographics, challenges and motivations, goals and pain points, values and interests, behaviors and habits, preferred communication channels. Why create buyer personas? Buyer personas helps you understand your audience's needs and wants. Create targeted contents and marketing campaigns. Develop products and services that resonate with them. Improve customer experiences and relationships. Stay focused on your ideal customer. How to create buyer personas? 1. Use your research data and insights. 2. Identify patterns and common traits. 3. Create 2 to 3 primary personas. Don't overdo it. 4. Give them names, faces, and backstories. 5. Share and use them across your team. Example of a buyer persona. Let's say Amina, the busy entrepreneur, age 28, job, a small business owner. Her goal is to grow her business and manage stress. Her challenges, limited time and marketing struggles. Her values, family, community, and innovation. Her behaviors, she's always active on social media and attends webinars. By creating a buyer personas like this, you'll be able to see your audience in a whole new light. It's like having a conversation with them, understanding their thoughts and feelings. This will help you create content, products, and experiences that truly resonate with them. Step 6. Check out the competitions. Now that you know your audience inside and out, it's time to see what the competition is up to. Analyzing your competitors helps you understand the market landscape and find opportunities to stand out. But wait, why do you have to analyze your competitors? By checking out the competition, you can see what's working and what's not. Identify gaps in the market. Find inspirations for your own strategy. Understand industry trends and standards. Stay ahead of the competition. How to analyze your competitors? 1. Identify your top competitors, direct and indirect. 2. Research their website and social media presence, content and marketing strategies, product and services, customers and engagement supports, reviews and ratings. 3. Look for patterns and common themes. 4. Take note of what you like and dislike. 5. Use this intel to inform your own strategy. What to look for: strength, weaknesses, unique selling point, target audience and messaging, content quality and consistency, engagement and community building, customer support and success stories. Avoid copying, always try to innovate. Remember, analyzing competitors isn't about copying their strategies. It is about understanding the market and finding ways to innovate and improve. Use this research to fuel your own creativity and differentiation. By analyzing your competitors, you will gain valuable insight to refine your own approach and stay ahead in the game. Step 7, the last on my list: test, learn, and refine. The ongoing adventure. Finding your target audience is not a one-time task. It is an ongoing journey. As you gather more data and insights, you will need to test your assumption and refine your strategies to stay on track. Why test and refine in the first place? By continuously testing and refine, you will ensure your message resonates with your audience. Stay up to date with changing needs and preferences. Identify new opportunities and challenges. Optimize your content and marketing efforts. Build a loyal community that trusts your brand. How to test and refine. 1. You will need to set up experiments and track the result. 2. Gather feedbacks through surveys, interviews, and reviews. 3. Analyze data and identify patterns. 4. Adjust your strategies based on findings. 5. Repeat the process to ensure continuous improvement. What to test? Messaging and positioning, content types and formats, channels and distribution, engagement strategies, product or service offerings. Remember, testing and refining is an iterative process. Be open to new insights and willing to pivot when necessary. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from failures. By embracing the test and refine mindset, you will stay ahead of the curve and build a loyal audience that loves your brand. Keep exploring, learning, and adapting to your audience's needs. The journey never ends, and that's what makes it exciting. To recap, here are the 7 steps to finding your target audience. 1. Define your broad audience. 2. Research demographics. 3. Understand psychographics. 4. Identify pain points and needs. 5. Create buyer personas. 6. Analyze your competitors. 7. Test and refine. I would love to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges in finding your target audience? Have you tried any of these steps? Do well to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I will do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, kindly support by giving a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Remember, brand like a master, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.